If you've seen yesterday's video, you know I made this cedar sculpture out of some reclaimed cedar I got recently. But I don't like how it turned out, so it's getting a redesign. Go! I have another beef with this tool. The fan for the motor blows air directly at my face when I'm using it like this. This is why I have to wear this face shield, but it still blows up. Well, you can see it blows onto my shirt and it blows up into my face and it gets in my eyes. I don't know, I can't recommend this tool. This is the hardware store brand. I think it's from Lowe's. In a previous video, I talked about how it's awkward and uncomfortable to use for prolonged periods. It's because it's so heavy this way, and not only that, the cord is pulling it down too, so maybe if I put it over my shoulder or something, it'll be easier. Well, I think that didn't turn out too bad. I went from really not liking it to thinking it's pretty cool. I think this goes to show, just because you don't like something or how it turned out, doesn't mean you can't turn it into something else. And this started out as a pretty rough piece of wood. So if you have some wood lying around your shop, you don't know what to do with, you got some scraps, I encourage you to experiment and have fun and try to make some art. There's lots more wood where this came from. In fact, last night I scored a pile of reclaimed oak, so you can be sure I'll be making something from that. You'll be sure to see it in upcoming episodes.